Hello there. Hope you have a good start of the day. Today we will learn about vectors in C++. Vectors are the same as dynamic arrays with an element is inserted or deleted. Iska MATLAB hai. Ki ek dynamic array hai. Jaha par aap same type ka data store kar sakte ho. Dynamically. So if you want to feel me up, then subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notification button. In case of any query, please comment. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
You have to import vector library, it's compulsory. Here is the declaration of vector. We can store same type of data only like array, but it's dynamic. Now we are adding some data of integer type to our vector. Name my vector. Pushback is predefined method. Now we are trying to access all these data. Same like an array. We call popback method twice. So it removed the data twice from stack. So there is no such an error. Let's compile and run. Now I want that. You try all the predefined methods of vector. I will provide the link in the description.